Hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and this is the JPTACTICAL. Let me see. It's tactical, yeah, but it's JP Tactical Washable dining patterns, and this is the dining patterns, and these are like table runners and different things like that. And I ordered 4 of these. I'm actually going to do something different with them in an arts and crafts thing, but I don't know what yet. So this is the ones with the forks and knives, and that's green and black and white actually, and this is the one with the coffee and the herbal tea and espresso and tea time and coffee ole and soda, and that's also green and black and white. And then here's the spoons and the forks again, and this is sort of like a brownish, 2 shades of brown and then black and then white. Those are the forks and everything. Let's put them hanging up this way, and then these are the cups. Again, this is the espresso and the herbal tea, and so this is orange and brown and sort of like a beige, and then cappuccino and everything. So this is it. And they're really quite nice. I might use them as table. I'm not sure yet, but I might use them for something else. So I might use them upstairs in my art room. So these are the nice JP Tactical table runners, and I like them a lot. So if you like these, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and put a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. It's somebody snuck in, okay? And so anyway, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.